ambassador ng Philippine Embassy. Yung sa Miss Anne, dyan na lang. Ang bait ng ambassador namin, guys. Iniikot talaga niya kami.
You monitor our social media. From time to time, meron.
Yes.
Ibang service na naman.
Our Philippine ambassador, Miss Anne Jelani. She's very nice, no? Tapos na kami, nag-congrats na kami na Ma'am Ambassador. Nandito kami sa dental ngayon, eh. Dental story behind for the dental. This is for the dental results.
She also has publication with my actions digital.
So I'm going to the stairs. Tapos ka na? Uuwi ka na ba? Dental. Magpa-dental ka? Opo. Pre-screening lang po. Kuha ka ng number sa baba. Kuha ka ng number doon sa reception. No, hindi. Screening. Titingnan lang yung kung anong meron sa'yo. Tapos... Si Amba, Nana. Dito na si Amba. Hi, good morning. Dito na yung ambassador namin. Good morning. This is Adar. The ambassador of the Philippines, Barin. France, Barin. Ito na lang kami. Nandyan yung OWA. Nandyan yung WS. Yan yun si Ma'am Nanjo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Asa na si Mike?
Dito kayo, upo kayo dito para dami tayo. Para madami tayo dito.
So, good morning to all of you who are here with us today. I am Ms. Eileen Palos, the Administrative Executive of Dar Al-Shifa Medical Center, and it is my great pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this special medical camp program. We are especially honored to welcome Her Excellency, Madam Anne Halandolo Luis, our Philippine Ambassador. Your presence here today is a testament to your unwavering commitment to the well-being of all Filipino community, ensuring that they have access to essential healthcare services. Your support and dedication continue to inspire and uplift us, strengthening the ties between the Philippine Embassy and the Filipino people in the Kingdom of Bahrain. This event is a reflection of our shared mission to provide quality healthcare and extend vital medical services to those in need. We are also grateful for the presence of distinguished guests from the Philippine Embassy, the Dar Al-Shifa Medical Center's dedicated medical staff, and our esteemed management board, whose commitment and collaboration have made this initiative possible. As we embark on this meaningful endeavor, let us work together to make this medical mission a success, one that brings care, hope, and healing to the community. Once again, welcome and thank you for being part of this noble cause. Mabuhay ang bayaning Pilipino.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I'd like to invite our very own Philippine ambassador to please come in front and launch our DSMC new card. The floor is yours, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Magandang umaga po.
Good morning. I wish to extend also my warmest greetings and very good morning and thanks to the management of Dar Al-Shifa. Nandito po sila ngayon. They're here with us because without their support and assistance and without the reaching out to the embassy on this initiative, this free medical camp for the Filipino community would not have been possible. So, can we just express our appreciation to them, please? Thank you so much. And, of course, ma-identify niyo po yung mga taga-embassy, the embassy personnel who are here because we're in purple. We are also holding this medical camp in conjunction with the celebration of the Philippines National Women's Month, which we celebrate every month of March. No? And of course, we know that the profile of the Filipino community here in Bahrain, I would say that maybe 75% to 80% are actually women. No? So that's why this is taken into consideration by the embassy pag nagplano po tayo ng mga programa and activities that some of them focus on the issues and common concerns faced by women, our female workers. So, I'm glad na nandito kayo, that you took the time to avail of this free medical camp, no, in partnership with Dar Al-Shifa. And I know that our health is a very important part of our lives, no? Nandito nga tayo para magtrabaho. Pag naapektuhan yung ating health, then we would not be able to fulfill the objectives na bakit tayo nandito. Di po ba? That is why one of the very important programs ng Embahada is our health and wellness program for the Filipino community in the Kingdom of Bahrain. So kasama po sa activities natin as part of the health and wellness program is to conduct the free medical camps in partnership with hospitals such as Dar Al-Shifa Medical Center. And we have been doing this regularly, no? And I just want to note that this is not the first time we're having a free medical camp here. We did one in 2023. And we had a very good response. They were reminding me in our meeting the other day that more than 700 Filipinos availed at the time. No? So that's why they were very eager at, you know, my gratitude is endless. No? Because, you know, this healthcare cost, diba? There's a cost, and I know it matters to you. So, the fact that they were able to extend these services, blood tests, the initial medical consultation, dental screening, na libre, no? It's free. So we thank them because I know this is of great benefit to the Filipino community.
Thank you
At
very
the
much.
same time, and I know you have been queuing up there, we have members of the embassy personnel here from our Migrant Workers Office and OWA. No? I wish to encourage you, please make sure you have valid OWA membership. No? Because marami po kayong benefits. No? There you have many benefits that will avail pag kayo po ay active OWA member. And of course, we have also a desk for overseas voting. May I have a show of hands for our Filipinos, mga kabayan who are here. Sino po ba yung registered overseas voter?
Yes, kami.
Oh, marami rin.
Marami.
Okay. So, pinaka-importante po, this coming, kung alam niyo po, in the Philippines, we're holding national elections, midterm, not presidential, midterm elections this coming May 12. But overseas voting po is for a period of 1 month, starting April 13 to May 12. But the most important feature this year is for the first time we are going to have online voting. So you can use your mobile phones, PCs, laptops, tablets, iPads to vote kahit saan kayo overseas. Okay? Now, a very important requirement for overseas voting is to pre-enroll. Pre-enroll, which should start yesterday, but Lino, do we have the link already? Okay. We are still waiting for the link from our Commission on Elections in the Philippines. As soon as COMELEC forwards us the link, we will post it. Paki-monitor po yung ating Facebook and Instagram for all the announcements. We will post the link kung kailan kayo pwede mag-pre-enroll. Kailangan po mag-pre-enroll para maka-online voting when the time comes. No? So please help disseminate the information to all your friends, mga kasama niyo sa opisina, all the Filipinos that you know here who are also overseas voters. Okay? And once again, I thank Dar Al-Shifa, the management, for thank you so much, no? And we really appreciate it. And before we end, actually, meron din po silang ilo-launch. They will launch, what do you call the card again? They will launch a community privilege membership. Okay? So perhaps one of them can talk about this before it is launched, no? To explain kung ano ba yung community privilege membership na tinatawag, which Dar Al-Shifa has for can be availed by members of the community. Thank you.
I would like to ask the business